22nd of July 2024. Market is open. What are we saying here? Quickly going to switch to, so we just open up here, just switch to 15 minutes candlesticks. I did put Asia sell side, London buy side levels. I will actually go here 15 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes here on this side. Right. Let's just start financial juice so we know what's going on in the world of finances. Okay. This OBS is slowing down everything drastically. So, okay, looks like just at the open we did take that. Did we take that or not? No, we have not taken it. So we have not taken London buy side yet. But in the last seconds we did push into the liquidity, and we are selling right now. That's okay. Inventory is long. We are gapping up. Here is this green line is yesterday's high. That's Friday's high. Market has just made a nice, well, it's almost 9 points drop. Dropping down here. Tick chart, as you can see, elevated. We did open above 1000. It does look bullish today, after a week of falling prices. Finally, we are getting a bounce back. We dropped into this level. If I look to the left, then you will see we had a little bit of liquidity here. You know, and a kind of trapped shorts that will be getting out on Friday. Now it just pushed. So this push is actually 44.90. It's 50 points drop, 50 points rally. It's decent. 50 points on rally. Okay, so let's have a look what they could do. If we look on the 15 minute, on the 5 minutes candle, I should prefer to look at 15 minutes candles on electronic. There you go. So, so what happened here? We had a liquidity down here that we could have dropped below, but we didn't do it. I'm going to mark that. We just match the liquidity. Let's quickly have a look. Have we taken it or not? No. No, we have not taken it. Okay, now we're pushing high. So we opened here. This is yesterday's high, 604. It's technically where we could go to sell. We have been, clearing liquidity, pushing a little bit higher. Then we dropped. We didn't clear that element of trading. We did not clear that imbalance. We pushed here, we dropped again. I would assume that this has been cleared. Now we took the bottom of this candle. On that liquidity here. I have not seen a stop loss run yet of that liquidity. So we might see it, we might not see it. The whole week yesterday we've been selling. Who knows what's going to happen now. Okay, so far we're pushing higher. 7 minutes from the open. So it does look like if we continue, we're going to go here. 604 to sell into this high. We have this Asia buy side as well, untouched. We have a weekly low. That's from previous week, not from last week, but 2 weeks ago. We were pumping higher, but I can see the tick chart is dropping. That push 94. No, this is 5 points. Okay, so it's a bit too much. It's not stop loss run. I think they're gonna go high. I think we're gonna push into yesterday's high. I don't want to chase this. I'm gonna buy up here. A bit late. The drop here, ideal drop would be if we just push below, push into this. That would be ideal drop. But no, they didn't do it, so they left a bit. Liquidity is still untouched here. Stop losses of longs are still there. Alright, we are getting push into the yesterday's high, Friday's high. Nine minutes from the open, another 6 minutes on that 15-minute candle. That push was 603. That's 10 points. transaction will be completed when we push into 605 and maybe even 607. Transaction by transaction, I mean this whole overnight buying. Push into 605, 607. That's what I mean by transaction. Why? Because we have stop losses of shorts up here in this area. They've been shorting it on Friday. This market should push into that level. Now the question is, how are they going to do it? Are they going to hold this now and then push? Probably. Yes, we are holding here. Fair value gap. They have time. They have 18 more minutes. Give another 3 minutes on this 15-minute candle. And then perhaps another another 15 minutes if they look at the drop. We have a look on Nasdaq because I know the Nasdaq was pretty close, yeah, to sell as well. Come on, reload that thing. Okay. So Nasdaq was pretty close to hit that. Okay. We did push through this on Nasdaq, through this level, and have we pushed? We haven't. It's double top pretty much. Alright, I don't need to look at this anymore. Just made a double top down. Yeah. Oh, we'll see. It's Monday. That doesn't look too promising for lows, but yeah, we can just get back here to zero. This is zero on the red line, and then start pumping again. One more minute on that 15-minute candle. Okay, started new 15-minute candle now. Nasdaq is getting back up. All right. Yes, we did push into this liquidity. Let's see what he is gonna do. Let's quickly have a look on Russell. Wow, Russell is already dropping. Look at that. Russell is already dropping. Okay, so they are rushing to complete that transaction. 603. Nasdaq is pumping higher up to 20,000. ES is almost there. So just give it a bit of time. But I think what they're going to do, they're going to push. We may run through stop losses somewhere here and push this into buy side. Asia buy side from Friday. Yeah, running through stop losses. That's okay. I want to be long, but I wanted to be long, but yeah, I didn't take that. Now it's just a matter of finding a place. Yeah. Okay, so transaction is completed. Once we push into this Asia, that will be even better. We did push into Asia. Asia buy side from Friday. So I'm thinking to show this like a little scalp. A market could, you know what, I'm just gonna go with one. I'm not really sure if I want to short this, but at the same time I know that this is the place where the short should work. What Nasdaq is doing, still holding up there, pumping higher. Yes, has still got a little bit of space to the upside. Russell's already dropping. Yeah, I would like to get a nice push. I think I'm just going to be patient and see, because there's a strong push at the open, and yeah, I can see the stick chart is just dropping Okay, so Nasdaq was pumping. Let's see if Nasdaq still 217 to 20, but 220, 25. Now it's pulling down a little bit. Got 9 more minutes. Even that they pushed into this liquidity doesn't mean they're going to reverse immediately, because you have to think, okay, even if they want to drop this market right now, maybe get down here, collect that liquidity from the open, they will try to create liquidity first to take it down and sell. So if you look at that, there's a lot of, this is POC here. POC is at 87. That's the main liquidity. They should create a similar amount of liquidity up here before they drop it. This is how I see the market. My IC just turned red. That's the S. Okay, 20,000 on NQ. Russell is dropping. And yet again, selling into this would be too bad idea, but I kind of hesitated. That's okay. Let's see, how much. What did they do now? Okay, we just dropped to the 15-minute candle. We still have 7 minutes. We can get up here, push through this, and still be up there. I don't think this is short. Action is bullish. It's very bullish. Seven more minutes. Oh, it will be 6 minutes in a second. On the 15-minute candle, we could push through this. On bottom of that 15-minute candle was here. So they left pull low here. Here we got the view up as well. They never took that bottom, but they didn't have to. They did not have to. Still bullish. So let's analyze. We opened here at 93. We dropped to 85. And we came back up here. We sold. We dropped. So this push from here was, what was it? 7 and dropped. So like 9 points drop. We are building liquidity here again. You can see that the POC might shift in a second. NQ is holding this 20,000. Five more minutes. Before 10 o'clock. Do we have a news or something? Let's quickly have a look. Nothing. Nothing today. Okay, tomorrow is Richmond Manufacturing Index, Flash Manufacturing PMI on Wednesday, Flash Services PMI, Advanced GDP, Unemployment Claims on Thursday, Core PCE on Friday. 20,000 NQ. So it's staying here. Tick chart below zero and holding below zero. From one extreme to the next one, perhaps. Four minutes. The 5-minute candle can drop back into this fair value gap, London buy side. Just being patient. It's Monday. Let's hope we don't want to jump on something too quickly. Okay, Nasdaq broke 2000, so we're leaving to the 20,000 level. Russell is dumping. Okay, okay, okay. Wow. Back to opening price. What can I say? Selling this yesterday, the transaction is completely selling here was a good idea. We use it tomorrow. Today is too late. This is still not touched, so they might get down there to grab the liquidity. And the moment they take it, we might get back up here again. So let's quickly have a look. 91 to 80 something. Yeah. So we have $51,383 up, 1,380 on that new account that I have. I mean, theoretically, it's a simulator, but I'm treating this as I would be trading Apex account. These are 2 days of trading, Thursday and Friday. So we're tapping into this liquidity. Now this is pre-market liquidity. Pre-market open. No, sorry, actually we went down there already. We've been here already. So 10 o'clock. What now? Continuation to the downside, most likely, to grab that low. 6 points. That's 3 points now. That's 4 points. Oh, I don't know what's this. So slow. This computer is so slow. Huh. Look where we are. Okay. So now we grab that properly. But this was the transaction completed, so now I'm a bit skeptical about, buying this. Ideal scenario to buy it somewhere here at 73. That would be good. They did cover some of the shorts into the stop losses here. We had stop losses here of longs. So they did cover into that, but most likely we're gonna continue lower, slowly increasing liquidity. Yeah, so I kind of missed opportunities today, at the open, the drop here. Should have bought the top if I push into yesterday's high. Definitely shorting this area, even with one contract, would have been a good trade. As always, shorting yesterday's high, this kind of highs should give you a little bit of profit. If you don't take any trade, you don't take any trades, it's fine. So a bunch of liquidity here created. We pulled through this, we're holding. And because we are holding, I think we're just gonna continue lower into this 74. But it's not gonna be a drop. Quick drop, it's gonna take some time. $10 o'clock, 10:04:05. Don't know what this thing is doing. Refreshing this. Okay. Bearish, fair value gap. Get down here. There's another 15 minutes candle. So we come back up here, most likely. We might get a push first into VWAP, and then drop. So that would be 85, 80. That's 5 points. We might look for the short here. I'm gonna actually I'm just gonna wait till the price gets there. I mean, technically speaking, we can even go up there and then reload. Alright, so we're pushing lower first. Trying to grab another 15 minutes candle. Okay. Are we going to 72 first? Yeah, this transaction completed. They don't need to reverse. The only reverse we're gonna have is gonna be some kind of fake out to push higher to, you know, to take out maybe some shorts, but this is quite a big drop. This is 91 to 78. That's already 12, 13 points drop. And we are approaching that level where, you know, technically speaking, we could tap into this liquidity. This is yesterday's and Friday's liquidity. So we are approaching this liquidity as well. Whoever was short here has got an opportunity to get out. You can see there's a lot of fight here. Shorting, and we got a push. So some shorts stayed in this area. I think I'm gonna just jump with a little, two contracts long. Let's see if that was a good decision or not. It takes ages. I'm thinking we might get a push into VWAP. And this is just a scalp, really. Against the scalp. Can I please? No, not read this, please. Okay. I think I'm gonna take the loss. It was kind of risky. This was based on, okay, we had this 15-minute candle. This is bouncing. And they decided to push a little bit lower. I'm gonna close this once we get to basically break even. I'm gonna close if I can see break even. Stop loss. Target. I don't know if I can even do that. Should bounce. Where's my position? So show P&L 0. I think it closed already. Let's quickly have a look. Come on. Okay, filled. And we took what? That was a loss of $25. Fine. It's alright. I mean, ideal scenario. Okay, it looks like texture reversed. So we got early, dropped a bit lower. We got out with minus $25. Loss. That's okay. 12 more minutes and then 15-minute candle. I mean, sorry, 2 more minutes and then 15 minutes candle. I think push into view up perhaps a bit higher to close this gap. I'm just gonna close everything because I don't know what, I mean, OBS is slowing down. My computer. What was that? Right. I'm back into view up, and we have what? 12 more seconds. Do I want to short this one? Yeah, I want to short this, to be honest, but I need a little bit higher price. At the same time, we did bounce off that low. This is pullback. Any kind of drop, it's going to be just quick scalp. 58. Okay, I want to see to open next candle. What are they going to do on the next candle? I don't think they have strength to push this higher. Immediately higher. But you know what? They are doing it. Well, so they're going to be pushing it into the 15-minute top up here. So that's 2 points. 2 more points. And here's the open at 93. Now when we look at this long wasn't so bad, huh? she wasn't the best. So they have collected a lot of liquidity. Is that enough to drive this into the highs again? I don't think so. If they're thinking about shorting it, they did short it here. They covered. Now we can just pump it up a bit higher, load more shorts, and drop it lower. They could do that. But we could drop down here. 84, that's only 3 points. Not enough. And what now? Okay, we have buyers. I want to buy it a little bit lower. So I'm thinking long. Why am I thinking long? Because they grabbed the liquid in the bottom, started to pump it. That's what I'm thinking. But let's see. Let's wait. I might go down and grab that low. Second time. Initial longs, chasing that move up. Drop. Pull them lower. Tap into this kind of like an order block. And then bounce back. Maybe even go a bit lower, accumulate, and then go higher. So it was first leg up. We're gonna hold this. Bear in mind, they left that 15-minute candle untouched, the top. So they have not used that liquidity yet. They have not used that liquidity. Yeah, it's just all over the place today. I think I should reduce the size because, alright. Okay, let's go on now. Target is this high. I don't know where's my position. Still loading. They did hold a lot. You can sell up here. Not so much more. So that is the top. That's only one of it. Perhaps even up here. 97. Twenty-three past. Okay, I'm gonna add here. Of that view up. Let's see. I don't think this long is gonna work. 6 more minutes. Yeah, I think we are well from the open. They played the top, they played the bottom. We might get a push into this 15-minute candle at the top here, and that's pretty much all that we can do. And I'm not gonna even be greedy. I'm just gonna go here and just close the sweetener. Yes, it could push even higher. It could push somewhere here, but this is still kind of. They're gonna be probably ranging here for a while. Is what something like this. Whole overnight action, but still. It's going to be problematic, to be honest, to get there. We just measured 5-minute candle. I like when things are happen, not everything happens quickly for me. And I'm getting into position, and okay, I'm gonna take one off here because this can just move back and forward for a while. Like candle here, which I don't I'm out. Okay. I mean, come on. How much did I make? Because I was closing this when it was 200 or like 180 up. How much did you give me? Gave me those. All right. Now trading with this computer is just ridiculous. I got $200. Oh, I have another half an hour of trading, but I don't know if I should trade because I already see the market made the move to the top, sold up there, made the move to the bottom. Okay, look at the mouse push. It's all right. And I think I missed an opportunity in two places here when I should have bought long, just as a momentum trade, even just to grab something. And the second one when we started to go down. It was short. I hadn't planned to buy off this level. That's why I marked it. We never got that. I bought it here, which wasn't too bad when we look at this right now. So yes, we did push finally into this 15-minute candle. We sold. We're pushing higher. Half an hour now. I'm just gonna grab a little short to the downside. I think I don't know when I'm gonna get my short loaded. So it's time. Why trust is a control? Let's be push it and kind of wait to wait ready to go. This is just I don't think the market will continue high at the moment. They don't need to do this. I think we're just gonna fool around here, around POC, keep buying more, trading a little bit around here. I think I'm just gonna put my target somewhere here. And even if I click and I will say, oh, I want to close this 100, by the time this thing will serve me, it's gonna be tick chart is just getting lower. I think we're gonna break and we could go lower if we break that zero line. This market is in this accumulation mode right now. I think there's no reason to just drop, get up here and then pump pump this higher. It's just, I don't know. I don't think. Hmm. Back to fair value gap. This is the last minute on the 5-minute candle. Looks like they're buying it. It's still 45 seconds on this candle, so. Now it's manipulating it. We have some people here, so they will be getting on. I mean, I'm assuming that should be getting to the upside. I might be wrong, but I can just okay, so it did push it high. So okay, it's fine. I think rotationally we should get down now. Maybe not there, but where's some 5-minute candle? Okay, so we did already. should basically fill this gap here. Market is pumping. Completely. Yeah, so this is what happens when you miss opportunities. You know, there was a trade at the open. I could make some money on it. This drop of yesterday's high, that was unused opportunity for me. And then you get involved with some rubbish like this when you've been, 120 or 200 up. Then you add, and ending up blowing up your account. This is what the recipe is. So yeah, I know I should have walked away with this $200 when I had them. Because now we can just push, keep pushing. This is 20,000 Nasdaq, all right. Yeah, they're gonna be pumping it. So I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna actually reverse when we drop a little bit. I will reverse that. No, I should just close and leave it. Ooh, 1,000 down. Should be a little bit of front running now. Isn't it? Let's add him into this front running. Depends where it's gonna go. Feel me. Looks like it's doing. No, something happened. It's not hurry. That's not good. And even if I close, this thing's not gonna close at the right place. I'm gonna close it somewhere. I can't even move that thing. Maybe I can't. Oh, now it moved. 44 on 1 minute. They could push for that 15-minute candle. Yes, they can do that. Okay, 15-minute candle. Let's see what's gonna happen now when I get a refresh. Done. I don't know if it's gonna refresh or not. Yeah, something. So the drop I had when I couldn't see anything. Replaced, okay. I didn't have anything. Right on. And I'm just gonna push it through the house. You need to get out from that. Yeah. Okay, mine's up. I'm gonna drop it be even down here to 97, to be honest. It does look like still have 11 minutes. Okay, I think we are out of this position. Wait. Let's have a look. Minus 500, okay. So we are down like $300 today. Have they sold into that? No. 10 more minutes. They could get down there. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Right now they're grabbing this liquidity on a bit long. So here, let's do it. Yeah, right. Liquidity happens later at 8 minutes to push the highs. Pretty long. Then it was really low short here, take that loss. Now the drop. 678. We players will try to push. Start try to stay long. 605. That was Sonya. Come on. Third one here. Right here. 6 more minutes. It did sell into this 15-minute candle. A bit. Went down here to collect this liquidity. Now we might get a push. Fair value gap, bearish one, inside bullish one. 5 more minutes. Let's see how they're gonna play that. In normal circumstances, I would have my finger on the button here to close position. If I see weakness, I just click and I'm out. But because this computer is just so slow because of OBS is just slowing down everything. Can't do much. I click this button and nothing's gonna happen. Tick chart is trying to push higher, pumping higher. So it looks like we could go out there. I'm watching this 5-minute candles, this fair value gap, the bearish one that we are eating it up right now. See if we're going to push through it. There you go. Problem. Still got 3 more minutes. But they need to sell. They need to sell into the 608. Otherwise, the transaction is not going to be completed. So they need to sell into this 308. Yeah. My stop loss is going to be just basically 1 tick below, 2 ticks below. That's it. Good. I'm going to take one earlier. Can you please close me? God damn it. Okay, now it's patient. Okay, so it's close one. Now I move my stoppers. Okay, now look on the straight anymore. 1 minute. The market should push higher. And even my computer was faster. Then I would switch to 4 hours to see what's up here. Give him some space. Some space. No? Another 5-minute candle. Still think this is long. We got the liquidity up there. You can push, sell into this high. That's it. And we're done. Might even high, to be honest. But we'll have a lot of stop losses, so I'm gonna do that. At this point, stop losses break even. Plus 1 tick, and that's it. Run. Problem is that we are already outside of my trading hours, which is 1.5 hours from the open. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I should discard this and finish the day pretty much break even. Let's see if they're gonna push for 605. Got the 5-minute candle now. They match it. See if they're gonna push now. Should go higher. This is bullish day. Okay, we took the 5-minute high. $287. I mean, I knew I could take this $287. I've just pressed the button and take it. I know it's gonna take ages to close this trade. So I'm thinking, let's leave it. So I can push this to 608. We will. Not gonna be greedy. Let's just here. hopefully my target will update for price. Yeah, the price reaches this level. To and through. Come on, ICT. Okay, you know what? I'll just take it anyway. I will not wait for that. 412. Close. So, we were 51,700. It's 51,700. I'm not happy with trading today. I trapped. I was in the profit. Should have put my stop loss break even here, or I can take it. But you know what? I'm not taking it because I'm gonna go close, and the market is not gonna do much. And market's not going to do much. This computer is not going to do much. It's gonna just hang here for. It's gonna close me, 2 minutes later or 1 minute later, because of obvious. It's recording everything. So I recognize this drop, this liquidity. They're going for it. A perfect entry long. Exit the first position. Decent exit of the second position. This is 2 through. Beautiful. And yeah, out on like one point. Okay. Outside of my trading hours, it's 7 o'clock. I'm done. Around, what is it? I think $412. It's okay. This front running here, I recognize that they're gonna front run this thing. I'm gonna push. Let me just drop a little bit. Try to grab liquidity. Looks good. Unused opportunities. They backfire. So drop and push. That was it. Once we got back here, start to push hard. That was kind of. I'm not saying it's obvious, but market was pumping towards today's high. To be it, with one contract. That have been very quick profit, maybe point or something. If you go in here and you're going with 2 contract, close one maybe here, that's already $200, holding the one, close that, done, that's 500. But shorting, once we got up here, and shorting, you just have to short, even with one contract, just short and hold, it's to give you something. So these two unused opportunities, then I don't know what I did. I think, yeah, got in because as I said, I'm waiting for the liquidity to be taken, then I should wait for this to be taken. Entry here, we'll do this right now. This is in this entry. 580, we drop to 76, so it's just 3 points. That's nothing. Easily profit would have been, yeah. It's very hard to trade with the line they have here. Very, very, very difficult to trade. And you can see what happened here. They pushed into the liquidity, we sold. That's why you have to get out. No point to hold anything because you can hold it and look at that dropping. And this is the drop. And to be honest, that short is just bloody short. Look at it. This is collapsed. So it's gonna happen. Yeah, outside my trading hour. It's gonna push to the bottom. I don't know. And it's going down, down, down. Maybe even here. To the what I was thinking. But look at this handle. 5-minute count. 6 to 7. It's 15 points up. That is 15 points up in what? In 5 minutes. So this is actually decent now. Try to climb a little bit higher. So what they've done was up. They took 115 candle, but they did take this one. I think because the transaction is completed at the top. How is that? Half line. Not really, not a proper stop loss round, but still not doing because this thing is slow. I don't know when it's Nasdaq pumping. How do you actually look? We do some more. No, so it's not the first food liquidity. We could just mention we have a drop to long got started again on here. Plus I had through the liquidity. So it's okay. Doesn't go into the honest. It's low. into the liquidity of this method. And if you can, but if you can go, then it's good. Like logic, it's full idea or try to control. So, bottom street is outside, on the right foot out, and I need to use learn to be patient, learn to learn to learn all the logical way. Short table. Segment, yeah, view up, go ahead. You know, that's best for you go. Let's see how we're gonna go. We're gonna go up here, signal. Yeah, probably. 600 of 975 sell. Don't press the button because it's going to be used to go, I think. I want to sell here, which is 75. So I'm short 75 minus 50. So my trick would be back to here. That's in the here. But it's a quick with rope. Hold it on the button. It's not you well what font. If it starts on the command control, if you turn equal to 1, hold the one. So plus a little bit button. That will be right. Yeah, stop to what to be. Time 15 twice, so we have just 15 minutes. We have the bottom of this. We can go grab. That's a 15-minute candle. Liquid. Yeah. That's all. And here we go, and exit. You can do it like in front of it. If you just want if you look at me, good scalp. And out. Yeah. But I'm not likely to go, but add to this line that I why we have completed this action. But as I said, we outside of trading as business interesting. It's not that you can work. It's okay. Guys, I'm finishing here. Still on my day. We'll be on my day. And yeah, we'll have this kind of trading. I'm not with footprint. I'm not trading with bookmap as usual. Just with my laptop. And just on the price action. Just trading candlesticks price action, nothing else. Using 15 minutes liquid grabs at you. That's how it works, everything. And sometimes it helps you. Sometimes it stops you from trading something, right? But it's a kind of some interesting way of trading right now. Just basically candlestick, nothing else. Look what they've done. They grab 15-minute candle. Right, and we're back. So you want to make profit at this same time. Bear in mind, this is the long. Yes, it can drop. It can go around 20,000. Very high. I'm fishing up around 500. What if you want to do 180, 700,000? I'm not so happy not trading today. But it's a little difficult to trade. You can even take 1 minute a day. Edges in places that probably big market moved. So, see you tomorrow. It's about trader. Take care, good luck, and if you like trade, if you like, my commentary, the market, and how I see them get liquidity, click the like, subscribe, and come for more. See you tomorrow.